Meet the Gerber 11-in-1 multi-tool, your ultimate survival sidekick packed into a sleek, pocket-sized design. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this lightweight tool features everything from a plain-edge blade and saw to a tent stake puller, scissors, ferro rod striker, and even a bottle opener. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or tackling daily tasks, its 4.5 inches closed length and 3.32 ounces weight make it easy to carry via carabiner. Built for adventurers, tradesmen, and everyday heroes, it's backed by the Gerber Guarantee. One tool, endless possibilities. Ignite your survival skills with the primitive bow drill fire starter kit. An easy-to-use, hands-on tool that teaches the ancient art of fire making. Made with high-quality bamboo and paulownia wood, this kit is pre-assembled and ready to use. Just spin the bow to create friction and smoke, then spark a flame using the included jute tinder. With durable materials and smooth design, it's perfect for scouts, outdoor adventurers, or anyone wanting to master emergency fire starting. Build patience, focus, and survival confidence, all with one powerful kit. The SOG SWP 1001-CP Multi-Tool packs 12 essential tools into one compact, ready for anything design. From a 2.5-inch partially serrated 420 stainless steel blade to one-button release pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutter, and openers, this tool is built for fast deployment and tough jobs. Weighing just 6.3 ounces with a low-profile EDC clip, it's perfect for your pocket survival kit or tackle box. Whether you're hiking, working, or in an emergency, SOG's precision-crafted multi-tool is a reliable companion for any challenge. Rugged, lightweight, always ready. The real avid gun tool. AMP Pistol Edition is a must-have multi-tool for any handgun owner. Designed specifically for striker-fired pistols, it combines precision and portability with 14 essential tools, including a carbon scraper, pin punch, metal file, nut wrenches, laser sight hex keys, and a 2.6-inch knife blade. Its quick deploy holster doubles as storage and a driver handle, locking into place for serious maintenance work. Finished in rugged titanium and black oxide, it's built to endure range days, field use, or workbench repairs. Compact, tough, and purpose-built for pistol perfection, meet the Puribag Water Purification System, your compact, family-sized solution for safe drinking water anywhere. This lightweight, collapsible bag holds up to 2.5 gallons and delivers clean, gravity-filtered water in just 30 minutes. Designed for adventure, it removes 99.99% of bacteria, 99.99% of viruses, and 99.9% of protozoa using P&G purifier of water packets. With a convenient carry handle and roll-up portability, the Puribag is perfect for camping, survival kits, or emergency use. Clean water, anywhere, anytime with one reliable, easy-to-carry system. The ENO Double Nest Hammock is your portable gateway to pure relaxation. Weighing just 19 ounces, it packs down to the size of a grapefruit but unfolds to a roomy 9 feet 4 inches by 6 feet 2 inches, perfect for two or palatial for one. Built for adventure, it stashes into its own compression sack and sets up in seconds. Whether you're chilling at a campsite, festival, or in your backyard, this hammock is your all-access pass to comfort. Designed by Eagle's Nest Outfitters for dreamers and drifters alike. The Nemo 2-person 4-season camping tent is built for adventurers who demand performance in any climate. With a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, it offers 44 square feet of interior space, dual doors for easy access, and a waterproof 2,000mm rated shell to keep you dry through storms. At just 5.6 pounds, it's ideal for backpacking or car camping. Setup is fast with its freestanding design, and it packs neatly into the included storage bag. Whether you're braving alpine winds or stargazing in the desert, Nemo's trusted design keeps you sheltered in style. The Key Carabiner Multi-Tool is your everyday carry essential, smart, solid, and always ready. Built with a thick box cutter and riding base, it makes daily package openings effortless. It also features a high-leverage bottle opener and refined lever edge, offering up to 3 times more power than standard flat tools. With an independent keyring hole, your keys stay secure and accessible. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the move outdoors, this compact tool is built for convenience and durability. The foldable camp kitchen table is your all-in-one outdoor cooking station, designed for convenience, space, and durability. Featuring a roll-up aluminum tabletop, side tables, windshield, and a 2-tier detachable storage organizer, it keeps your cooking gear and essentials neatly arranged. With a reinforced X-frame, weather-resistant Oxford cloth, and easy-to-clean MDF surface, it's built to last. Lightweight and foldable with a carry bag, setup takes just minutes. Perfect for camping, BBQs, or tailgating. Wherever adventure calls, this portable kitchen brings the comfort of home cooking outdoors. The Titan Deep Freeze zipperless hard body cooler is built for quick access and lasting chill. With its patented flip-open lid, you can grab snacks and drinks fast. No zipper hassle. It holds up to 16 cans and keeps ice for up to 2 days with deep freeze insulation and a radiant heat barrier. Inside, the removable hard body liner with Smart Shelf keeps fragile foods safe from heavy items. Designed for comfort, it features a back-saver shoulder strap and rugged, water-repellent exterior. Whether it's tailgating, road tripping, or picnicking, Titan keeps it cool and easy. The RoverTac multi-tool camping axe is your all-in-one survival sidekick, packing 14 essential tools into a compact powerhouse. From an axe, hammer, and knife to pliers, wire cutter, saw, screwdrivers, and openers. This multi-tool handles it all, whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling DIY tasks. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built for rugged use and long-term reliability. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a tough nylon sheath for safe carry. A perfect gift for outdoor lovers, backed by a lifetime warranty. This tool is ready for any adventure. The Ka-Bar BK3 Becker Tack Tool is a powerhouse built for extreme conditions. Weighing 1.3 pounds with a 7-inch 1095 Crovan steel blade, this tactical tool is designed to chop, pry, and cut through the toughest tasks. Its flat grind edge, 15-degree angle, and rugged Grivory handle ensure durability and control in high-pressure situations. Paired with a tough glass-filled nylon sheath, it's made for law enforcement, survivalists, and hardcore adventurers. Proudly made in the USA, the BK3 is more than a knife. It's mission-ready gear you can count on. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus redefines the campfire with a smokeless flame and built-in grilling power. Fueled by wood or charcoal, it features a USB rechargeable power pack that runs an integrated air fan, giving you 30 hours of clean, efficient burn time. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard nights, it includes a grill grate for on-the-go cooking and mesh sides that radiate heat outward. Compact and portable with folding legs and carry handles, the Fire Pit Plus also doubles as a power bank, keeping your devices charged while the fire roars. Real flames, zero hassle. The Encamp Stove Plus is the ultimate compact cooking companion for outdoor adventurers. Designed to burn multiple fuels, wood, charcoal, gas, alcohol, or hexamine, it adapts to your environment with ease. Its smart, collapsible combustion chamber folds flat to save space in your pack, while rugged stainless steel and aluminum construction ensures durability trip after trip. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or overlanding, this lightweight stove is built to perform and easy to carry. Choose your ideal setup with options including a gas adapter, carrying case, and essential add-ons. The D2 Steel Full Tang Survival Knife is built for serious outdoor performance. With a 3.85-inch razor-sharp D2 blade and a solid 9.45-inch full tang design, this knife offers exceptional strength, piercing power, and corrosion resistance. HRC 60 to 62 degrees. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a slip-resistant grip and doubles as a safety hammer. Weighing 302 grams, it balances toughness with control. Paired with an adjustable Kydex sheath for easy carry, it's perfect for camping, hiking, survival tasks, or emergency use. Cut, chop, pierce. This knife is your ultimate outdoor ally. The CRKT Prima EDC knife, designed by Mike Bond in Pearl City, Hawaii, blends classic functionality with modern style. Featuring a high-carbon stainless steel blade that's easy to sharpen, it holds a reliable edge for everyday tasks. The slip joint lock ensures secure open and closed positions, while a built-in carabiner lets you clip and carry with ease. Finished with a black stonewash handle and bronze accents, this knife combines performance and aesthetics in a sleek, pocket-ready tool, perfect for daily carry and quick utility on the go. The Thermarest Polar Ranger -20 degrees Fahrenheit sleeping bag is built for extreme cold and unforgiving conditions. Filled with 800 fill Nikwax hydrophobic down, it stays dry, retains loft 60 times longer, and dries 3 times faster than untreated down, without harmful PFCs. A heat-trapping liner and overlapping side vents let you adjust airflow without sacrificing warmth. The snorkel hood prevents frost buildup from breath and seals out drafts. Weighing just 51 ounces and packing down to 16 by 6 inches, it's the ultimate cold weather companion for expeditions and winter camping. The Crua Hybrid Tent Set is the ultimate 2-in-1 camping solution. Use it as a ground tent or string it up as a hammock between trees. Built for versatility, it features a water-resistant HH 5,000mm rainfly, integrated bug mesh, and connectable design to expand your sleeping space. This all-in-one kit includes a self-inflating mattress, mummy sleeping bag, tree straps, ground sheet, and more. Everything packed for adventure. Whether backpacking, fishing, or festival hopping, the Crua Hybrid offers unmatched comfort, freedom, and protection. Wherever you camp, this tent adapts to your wild. The Kelty Folding Cooler combines the best of both worlds. Hard shell durability with soft shell portability. With rugged 600D fabric, a waterproof removable liner, and superior PE foam insulation, it keeps your drinks cold for 36+ hours without the bulk of heavy coolers. Available in 2 sizes, 24 or 48 cans, it's perfect for tailgates, day trips, or weekend camping. The 24-can version even includes a removable shoulder strap for easy transport. When you're done, it folds down to just 4 inches for compact storage. Built to last. Designed for adventure. Made in the USA. The Fiskars Pro Power Tooth Compact Utility handsaw is built for speed, precision, and job site convenience. With a 6-inch blade and a one-handed flip-open design, you can deploy it in a snap. No fumbling, no delay. Tool-free front-loading blade changes mean no loose parts and 0 downtime, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Compact enough to fit in your tool belt, it's always within reach when you need it. Whether you're cutting on-site or in the workshop, this rugged saw is backed by a full lifetime warranty for total confidence. The Giga Pump is a compact powerhouse built to handle all your inflation needs with ease. Delivering 6 kilopascals of high pressure and a rapid 1,000 liters per minute airflow, it inflates and deflates air mattresses, pool floats, and even airboats up to 4x faster than standard pumps. With a long-lasting 1500 by 4 milliamp hour battery, it powers through 5 queen mattresses or 25 swim rings on a single charge. The pump includes 6 nozzles for versatile use and even doubles as a vacuum bag deflator. Rechargeable via USB-C and backed by a 5-year warranty, the Gigapump is your go-to for effortless outdoor comfort. The Heritage Black Daypack Backpack is a rugged, versatile companion designed for serious adventurers and everyday use alike. With a dedicated back panel laptop compartment, fits most 15.4-inch screens, and a detachable interior travel bag with MOLLE-style attachments, it offers smart storage and quick access. Dual side panel accessory pockets and a top zippered lid keep essentials within reach, while side compression straps with D-rings add carrying flexibility. Crafted from durable nylon and weighing under 1 kilogram, this sleek 52-centimeter tall daypack is built for climbing, travel, and everything in between. The OGT Fire Starting Survival Kit is your pocket-sized lifeline for outdoor emergencies. Packed with essentials: ferro rod, matches, fat wood, candles, steel wool, char cloth, magnesium capsules, and more, it ensures you can start a fire anytime, anywhere. Housed in a resealable waterproof bag, it's protected from the elements and fits easily in a cargo pocket, 4.5 inches by 7.75 inches by 2.25 inches, with 20+ items including a folding knife, wire saw, and survival guide. This kit is a must-have for hikers, hunters, and campers. Stay ready, stay warm, with off-grid tools trusted quality in your pack. The C1004 Electronic Visual Distress Signal Kit is your all-in-one flare-free safety solution for land and sea. Designed to meet all U.S. Coast Guard requirements for night, day, and audible distress signals, this family-safe kit includes an SOS flashing electronic light, an infrared signal, a high-visibility orange distress flag, and a quality marine whistle. Compact and easy to mount with included hardware, it stays within reach during emergencies. Lightweight and packable, the C1004 is perfect not only for boating, but also hiking, biking, and backcountry adventures. Made in the USA. Stay safe. Be seen.